Lebanese stuffed cabbage leaves, cooking with my mom and aunt series. To washed rice, we add grated tomatoes, Lebanese 7-spice mix, dried mint, black pepper and salt and oil. Then we add minced meat and mix. Then we prepare the cabbage by boiling it in hot water for a few minutes. Here the instructions from my aunt.
الصغيرة على الطبلية والصغار اللي بيطلعوا بيسواوا عشان بحطهم بأرض الطنج.
My aunt is saying that the larger cabbage leaves get cut into half and also the harder ones get placed at the bottom of the pan. Then we layer them like so. We add lots of garlic cloves in between. Then we're gonna put salt, olive oil, water and some weight and we cook those. Then there we have it, delicious Lebanese stuffed cabbage leaves. The detailed recipe is on my blog as always, alphafoodie.com.